China kills 10,000 dogs every year in Yulin Festival, and this must stop.
In China, 21st June is the worst day for dogs. It's the day they celebrate Yulin Festival, also known as Yulin Dog Meat Festival. In this festival, thousands of dogs are made to suffer and are beaten to death. People there eat dogs. It is somehow horrifically similar to the beer festival, but here they rather consume dogs and cats instead of unanimated beer. People come from faraway places to eat meat of dogs. Dogs are brutally killed for food consumption. Festival started in 1990s, as they believe that eating dog meat will bring them good luck and health. China's Guangxi Sihuang Autonomous Region is where this festival is celebrated. Dogs are sold in the market, they are all stolen from households, or the watchdogs of rural families are sacrificed. They are captured in bulk, and are transported over to long distances. This festival is banned in China, but still it is in practice in an illegal manner. Dogs are specially raised for this festival like chickens in farms. They are supposed to be certified for human consumption. 10,000 dogs are killed. Cages of dogs are delivered to a market in Yulin. Dog dealers stole 10,000 dogs, to kill them and to celebrate this festival. People of China strongly believe that eating dogs will keep them away from evil spirits and disease. Dog Meat Festival has been promoted as a local folk custom. It is not a culture but practiced in the name of old tradition. In Chinese tradition, customs like foot binding, opium smoking, and arranged marriage are banned. Then why not this? The Yulin Dog Meat Festival is not a regional folk tradition. Household dogs and cats are stolen in huge numbers when the festival comes. Dog meat traders kill the dogs in the slaughterhouse, while some do so right on the street for the customers. From 6 p.m. till midnight, the streets are flooded with dog meat eaters. Dogs dealers slaughter the dogs in front of customers, to show them they were using fresh meat. It is a usual practice there. Government officials swear that every dog meat dog has been raised on a dog farm, which is not true.
Please share this video. Stop Yulin 2015. Love animal, save animal. Share this, inform all.